let us discuss about B plus tree insertion. Here the order is given as 3. Order m equal to 3. So the maximum number of keys per node are m minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. So the result is 2. So per node maximum we can store 2 keys. Next, maximum number of children are, that is nothing but m value. Here m is given as 3. So maximum number of children are 3. Let us construct B plus tree using these elements. Just like the B tree, here also insertion will be performed on the leaf node. Here what is the first node? 10. So 10 will be inserted in leaf node. Next element is 20. Here the keys are stored in ascending order. So after 10 we have to store 20. Next key is 30. We have to store in ascending order. 10, 20, 30. Here the maximum number of keys are 2 only. But here the leaf node is containing 3 keys. So we can say that leaf node is full. So we have to perform the splitting. Calculate the middle element. Here what is the middle element? 20. So 20 will be moved up. So now 20 will becomes the parent. Ten is less than 20. So store 10 here. Next, whereas the right leaf contains 20 as well as 30. One important property of B plus tree is, in B plus tree, the leaf nodes will always contain key values. Internal node doesn't contain key here. If we take the B tree, we can store keys in both leaf node as well as internal node. Whereas in B plus tree, the keys must always be stored in leaf node. So that's why here we have to store the 20 here. So here the right leaf contains 20 as well as 30. Whereas here the internal node contains a pointer. So it is a pointer which points to the key 20. Internal node doesn't contains key. Internal node is a pointer which contains, internal node contains a pointer which points to the key 20. Next, let us insert 40. 40 is greater than 20. So here insertion will always be performed on the leaf node. So we have to insert 40 here. Arrange in ascending order. So 20, 30, 40. Again we can say that leaf node is full. So we have to perform the splitting. Calculate the middle element. Here 30 is middle element. So move 30 to the parent. So now the parent will contain 20 as well as 30. Next, store the keys. 10 is less than 20. So store 10 here. Next 20. Store 20 here. Here 20 is a key. Whereas this 20 is a pointer. It contains a pointer to the key 20. Next 30, 40, store as the right leaf. 30, 40. Here 30, 40 are keys. 30 is a key, whereas this 30 is a pointer. So it contains a pointer to the key 30. Here after performing the insertion, we have to connect the leaves in single linked list or double linked list manner. We can use single or double linked list. It is our choice. But in most of the textbooks, single linked list is given. So connect the leaf nodes using a pointer in single linked list manner. So here also 40 is inserted. So after inserting 40, so connect the leaves in using pointer in single linked list manner. Next, we have to insert 50. 50 is greater than 30. So insert in this leaf node. Now the leaf node is full. So again we have to do the splitting. So move this 40 to the parent. Now we can say that this internal node is also full. So find the middle element 30. So move this 30 to the parent. Now the parent is 30. Next 20 is less than 30. Next here we have 40. 40 is greater than 30. Here this is internal load. In internal load there is no need to store the key. Here there is no need to store 30 here. We have to store the keys only in the leaf node. So let us store the leaves now. 10 is less than 20. So let us insert here. Next 20. Let us store 20 here. Here this 20 is a key. Whereas this is internal node. This 20 is a pointer. It is pointing to the key 20. Next we have to store 30, 40, 50. 30 is less than 40. So store 30 here. Next 40, 40, 50. Store 40, 50 as the right leaf. Here this 40 is key. Whereas this 40 is a pointer which points to the key 40. We have to connect all the leaf nodes using pointer in single linked list manner. Next we have to insert 60. 60 is greater than 40. So insert in this leaf node. So again the leaf node is full. So we have to perform the splitting. So here what is the middle element? 50 is the middle element. So move 50 to this parent. So now this 30 is root. 20 is less than 30. Next 40 is greater than 30. 40 as well as we have 50 also. So 40 and 50. Here the internal contains 40 as well as 50. Next let us write the keys. 10 is less than 20. Next we have 20. Here we have 20 key. But this is 20 pointer. It contains it is a pointer to this key. Next we have 30. 30 is less than 40. Next we have 40. We have to store 40 here. But this 40 is a pointer which is pointing to the key 40. Next we have to store 50, 60. Store 50, 60 here. This 50, 60, this 50 is key. Whereas this 50 is a pointer pointing to the key 50. Next, connect using pointers in single linked list manner. Next we have to insert 27. 27 is less than 30. 27 is greater than 20. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So now this leaf node will contain 20 as well as 27. The node will contain 2 keys. There is no problem. Next we have to insert 36. 36 is greater than 30. 36 is less than 40. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So 30 as well as 36. We can insert 2 keys. There is no problem. So after inserting all these keys, so this is the final output. So in this way we can solve the problem using ordered 3. In the next video we will solve one more example based on order 4.